Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your overall health when you add hot yoga to your routine? Key points. 1. Hot yoga offers similar benefits to traditional yoga, including improved overall health, increased flexibility, and reduced stress levels. 2. The heat in hot yoga adds an extra challenge to the practice, helping to improve fitness and potentially contribute to weight loss. 3. Hot yoga can be suitable for beginners, but it's important to assess your overall health and consult a healthcare provider before starting, as the heat may not be suitable for everyone. 4. After a hot yoga class, it's important to stay hydrated and take time to cool down to avoid feeling lightheaded. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.